whatever reason that you guys want to delete your Instagram account, whether you have too much of social media or you just want to give it a break altogether, then in this video I will show you guys exactly how to get that done. So stick around. And welcome back, guys. This is Marlon from the YouTube marketing channel. I am your host, and tonight I want to show you how to delete your Instagram account. Instagram have made it a bit difficult. Back in the days, you could just go straight to your account, so you have to log into your account first. So you normally could log into your account and even go to edit profile, and down below you could have it down here as well. But they make it a bit more tricky for us to really delete our accounts and stuff like that. So pretty much they frustrate us to get that done. So what you're gonna have to do, so you log into your actual account, and then where you have the three lines, you're gonna click on the three lines, and then you'll get down to where you have settings. So you're gonna click on settings, and then you're gonna go scroll down all the way down to where you have, keep going, where you have support. So you're gonna have help center. So you're going to click in that one, and then you're going to have the first line here, you have using Instagram and then managing your account. So you're going to click in managing your account, and that's where you guys can go ahead and do pretty much anything to your actual account. So the first one is about privacy settings and information, and then you have delete your account. So you would click in this one here, and then it would give you three different opportunities. So how do I temporarily disable my account? So just in case you're interested into only disabling your account for a period of time, and then you can go back and just refresh it, you can do that from there. Or also if you want to, how do I delete my account? Then pretty much if that's what you're after, which the topic is, how do I delete my account? So you click in that one. And down here, it give you, when you break down, it give you the temporary disable your account. And then if you go down a little bit more, you see where the delete your account page. So you click in that one, and actually it will open up and give you options. And then you guys can go ahead. For example, if you click in this one, then we said high newbie prints, fashion style, blah, 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 blah. And then you give your reason, whatever reason you want to give, say want to remove something, or too busy or too disturbing, and privacy concerned, trouble getting started, can't find people to follow, too many ads, created a second account, or something else. So whatever your reason are, just go ahead, click in that one, and initially the delete process will start from there. So like I said, they make it a bit more tricky. So all you have to do, just click in the three lines, go down to settings, and then you'll work your way down to the bottom where you're gonna have support, and then you could go to help center, and then you could click to the second option, which is managing your account. So thank you very much, ladies and gents, for this one. If you want to start your new year with a new year resolution where you don't want to have to interface or interact with too much of the social media, so you want to get rid of that for a period of time. Like I said, that period of time could be temporarily, and also it could be permanent, depending on how you feel about social media at present. So thank you very much, and have a happy New Year's when it comes, and all the best for you guys for your future. Thank you.